Uh-huh. You're cleaning it with the sponge. You're doing a good job, aren't you? Yeah.
Some of those barrettes. Where'd you get them?
I don't remember where I got them.
The color.
Yeah.
It's fabulous.
Uh-huh. Grandpa likes your ponytails.
Exactly. They're beautiful. Beautiful.
How about this right here? Mm-hmm.
Is she going to make Camp Kiowa next summer?
Maybe.
No?
Maybe. That doesn't hurt.
You know what?
Potty train?